Hey everybody, it's Neil. Look at what I have here. I have this is a caged ceiling fan. So we're gonna take this thing apart and check it out. We'll open up the box here for a second just to see what's inside if I can. One-handed like, but I will time-lapse me installing it so at least you can see it being installed. And it does. Boy, opening it up with a screw while I'm holding a camera. Not the easiest, but let's see what we got. So it's gonna look like maybe that. Okay, it's gonna take some process. I'm gonna go put it together and I'll be back. Okay, and I got it sort of hooked up. I didn't plug in everything or put everything in it. I wanted to just kind of show you guys what it looks like here. So this is it here. Here's an area where we've got some crystals up. So you can see how pretty it is with the crystals and the light shining through. I can turn the light on and off with this remote. It comes with the remote, so light on and off. I can do the fan, I guess. Let's see what we got for numbers of the fan. Oh yes, if I put a number 6, so we're gonna get super high fan area. Wow, look at this, it's blowing me away. And that's right there, so right on top of me. So that's really nice. I definitely have some patchwork to do up there, and I'm gonna fix up my wiring so it's not quite so janky. And I will finish putting all the little jewels around, but look how pretty it is. It's really nice, and it works good. So I'm gonna say this is a really nice fan. It's gonna look great in this room. I mean, currently we're very much under construction, but I wanted to kind of get it up here to show you guys what it looks like. And when it's done, it will be pretty. So there we go. And we can change all the different settings here. I can set it for just like an hour, and then after an hour, the fan will go off. So that's kind of cool to be able to do some settings like that. And I can just click the all off button and I'm done. So awesome, thumbs up.